N7 something. I'm not doing that to you. Hey, give it that water. I could be taking it. But I didn't have that to.
Now, if you look down there, these coal cars are covered in snow.
Yep. I know I gave it full.
Oh yeah, look at that. The engines are right there and the end's there. This is really short.
478.
All I heard was the engine number, 756. I didn't hear the ID.
It's N7 something.
Yeah, that's the problem. They all have terrible radios. It's hard to hear what they're saying.
Oh yeah.
Either that or they just don't know how to speak into the radio properly.
Well, a lot of them do, but the students outside like, huh? Yeah, it's alright.
Hey, this is pretty fast moving, especially for a loaded coal. Normally the empty coals move this fast.
Oh, these are my speed.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Oh, look at that, his icicle sticking there at the bottom.
Just Train Sandy, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to Philip Lee, the king of the rail fans himself.